Now it's time to present you a new thing. Jacinto in the last 30 years is evaluating some new things. We started a company in 1954 and in 86 we defined that our mission is to provide to the firefighters performance and safety. And for that reason, we are keeping innovative and developing new products and services. So since 86, we start with a new thing. We develop a transference case and transform a forest fire 4+2 in 4x4. And since that time, we develop a lot of different products. Lusitano, Crash Standard, and Imagine. In the last INTERSCHUTZ, we presented the only vehicle in the world fully electric and unmanned for airports, as you can see in the left side, okay? But we are always innovating, and now it's time to present you a new concept. This new concept is for forest, and we call it Sumatra. Sumatra is a kind of rhino, and it's the only animal that could fight the fire. That's the reason that we call it Sumatra. So my colleague Rafael will present you the details of this product.
About Sumatra, the big question about this car is that we have a structure that is combined by cab and also for structure, so it's a monoblock structure. And this monoblock structure have independent suspension, so 4x4, and it's a 15-ton vehicle. This 15-ton vehicle have a 4,000 liter capacity of water tank, and also have a full around roll bar inside. So the protection is always a guarantee of this one. We present the electrical one, so we transform it from the diesel and full electric vehicle. And now we have three options about this car. We have a hydrogen vehicle car, also a diesel, and a GPL vehicle. About the visual, you can't see it yet, but it's a very narrow car, so it's a 2.4 wider car, which is less narrow than a normal car, and also it's 6.5 meters long. I think now it's time for show the vehicle. I think it's the principal reason, so I will call Jacinto.
So if you have any doubts, you can contact us. We are proud to announce Sumatra.